With great enthusiasm, I invite Maryam Binti Abdul Hafeez from Malaysia to share her thoughts on the theme Together for Health, Stand with Science.
Dear friends from Malaysia, and I studied at SKMK King George V, which is the best school in Malaysia. Today, I would like to speak on a very meaningful theme. Together for Health, Stand with Science. Health is one of the greatest blessings that Allah has given to humanity. Yet, in today's world, health challenges are becoming more complex. We face emerging diseases, aging populations, mental health challenges, and global health threats. No single profession, institution, or country can solve this challenge alone. Nobody is an island, as the saying goes. That is why the first message of today's theme is Together for Health. Healthcare is a shared responsibility. It is a teamwork and involves doctors, nurses, pharmacists, researchers, policymakers, community leaders, and most importantly, we are the public. When we work together, we create a stronger health system that protects and promotes the well-being of society. In Malaysia, we are fortunate to have a healthcare system built on collaboration. Our hospitals, universities, research institutions, and community organizations work hand in hand to deliver care, educate professionals, and improve public health. The healthcare providers, such as nurses and other healthcare professionals, they are often the frontline bridge between science and society. They are able to translate medical knowledge into compassionate care. They guide patients in understanding treatment, prevention, and healthy lifestyles. This brings us to the second important message. Stand with science. Science is the foundation of modern healthcare. Through research, innovation, and evidence-based practice, science allows us to understand diseases, development treatments, and improve health outcomes. Vaccines, antibiotics, surgical techniques, diagnostic technologies, and digital health. Innovations are all results of scientific advancement. They have saved millions' lives and improved the quality of life for many communities. However, in the era of social media and rapid information sharing, misinformation can spread easily. Sometimes people may question scientific evidence or become confused by conflicting information. Therefore, as healthcare professionals, we have an important role. We must be advocates for science, truth, and evidence-based practice. At the same time, we must communicate science in a way that is compassionate, respectful, and understandable to the public. Standing with science does not mean ignoring human values. On the contrary, science must be guided by ethics, compassion, and humanity. In our work, We must combine scientific knowledge with empathy. Patients are not just cases or diagnoses. They are individuals with emotions, families, cultural beliefs, and spiritual needs. This is where the healthcare profession becomes truly meaningful. We integrate science, care, and humanity. Looking into the future, the challenges in healthcare will continue to grow. We will see more technological innovations such as artificial intelligence, digital health, telemedicine, and precision medicine. These developments will transform healthcare delivery. But no matter how advanced technology becomes, the human element of healthcare will always remain essential. The strength of our health system lies in collaboration, trust, and knowledge. If we stand together, healthcare professionals, scientists, educators, policymakers, and communities, and if we remain committed to scientific integrity and compassionate care, we will be able to build a healthier and stronger society. Let us therefore continue to promote health literacy, scientific thinking, and community engagement. Let us empower our communities to make informed health decisions. And let us remember that health is not only the absence of disease, but the presence of well-being, physical, mental, social, and spiritual. In closing, I would like to leave you with this simple message. When we work together, we strengthen health. When we stand with science, we protect the future. Together we can build a healthier nation and a healthier world. Thank you very much. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Together for health, that
Thank you, Maryam, for such a thoughtful speech.